What do you recommend to, what is the traits that you see for successful public adjusters?
I'm not.
It's a mix. It's
I'm not
tough.
going to give it one personality or another, right? It's if you have a specific personality, there's a way that you can be successful as a public adjuster, right? Some people are going to be doing it through influence. Some people are going to be able to do it through clear execution and clear communication, right?
And relationship building.
So yeah, for you, it's your relationship building. It's your ability to communicate to your clients and to get them to trust you. I don't think you try to oversell anybody, right? You really speak facts and you want to make sure that they have a good experience. So it's through a genuine care of the customer that makes people trust you. And that's what, again, makes you great at what you do. But I've met other public adjusters that aren't your type of personality that also does very good for themselves, right? So I can't say that there's only one personality that would be good for public adjusting. What I will say is how you approach it based on your personality should be different. So for example, if you have one personality, but they've been following you and they think like the way that you did it is the only way of achieving success as a public adjuster, I would say that's not true, right? There's other ways of doing it. You have been able to find a formula that worked really well for yourself, and you have a framework that you can coach people to. But as people are kind of going through that procedure, they kind of need to find their own way of achieving success.
I tell people that all the time. I tell them all the time. I said, look, this is like how I did it. I said, and this is a good way to start, a good place to start, but it may not be for you. And not only in sales and finding the claims, but also actually in communication with the insurance company. Like I remember when I worked with Rich, and Rich would be intimidating. He would go to the inspections and he would almost scare the living shit out of the insurance adjuster and the desk adjuster so that he would end up getting what he wants. And I remember when I first started working for him, I tried that style, but I'm too short and I smile too much. It didn't work out very well for me. So I was like, you know what? I have my term, kill them with kindness. I'm like, let me try that route. And you get them to sort of turn towards your side. And then that's how I was able to get what I wanted. So I think that's interesting. What you say is everybody's got sort of their own style.
Yeah. And that's part of the self-reflection process. I always tell people that's the first place to start. Right? You have to know yourself before you know your coworkers and your other team members. But through the journey of these assessments and, speaking with me, one of the things that I try to do for people is to identify what their unique ability is, right? And to really be able to focus on it. And the goal is for you to be operating in that mindset as much as you possibly can. There's always going to be times where you're having to veer from that, that's life. You don't always get to do what you want to do. But if you can put yourself in a position where you get to be your best self all the time, I mean, to me, that's where happiness is, that's when success comes.